And the first one that I have for you is Porsche. These are those luxury cars that you see on the road. It's not supposed to be Porsche or Porsche. No, Porsche is something that I've heard a lot of times, but it's not right. It's supposed to be Porsche. That's the best way of pronouncing it. The next one that I have for you is Nike. It's not supposed to be Nike. No, Nike is wrong. It's supposed to be Nike. That's the best way of pronouncing it. Another one that I have for you is Volkswagen. It's not supposed to be Volkswagen. Okay, Volkswagen. V is supposed to be pronounced as F. Be careful about that. Okay, Volkswagen, very common one. So Volkswagen are cars which are available in India also. Many people drive them, right? So Volkswagen, guys. The next one is Adobe, not Adobe. No, Adobe, something that you use on your computers and all the software, the antivirus. It's supposed to be Adobe. Adobe. Del Monte, the ketchup. Del Monte, not Del Monte, not whatever you say it, not that. Del Monte. Del Monte. Now this one is kind of my favorite. Many people, including me, used to pronounce it incorrectly. Actually, I never used to actually pronounce it because I used to stay away from the word. It really made no sense to me. It's supposed to be Huawei. Huawei. So there is going to be a slight sound of H. Okay, Huawei. Okay, but you do not have to stress a lot on the sound of H. It's supposed to be Huawei. Huawei. Okay, the next one is Renault. It's not supposed to be Renault. It's not supposed to be Renault. Renault, all of these are wrong. It's supposed to be Renault. Renault. Again, cars. Okay, now this one, I remember my cousin corrected me on this one. I used to call it Chevrolet. It's not supposed to be Chevrolet. It's supposed to be Chevrolet. Chevrolet. Okay, Chevrolet. So put in your own accent into it, make it stylish the way you want to. But supposed to be Chevrolet, simple. Add a little style to it. Call it Chevrolet or whatever you want to do with it. But simple, Chevrolet. Chevrolet. Now this one is very common. You see it a lot in the malls. Van Heusen. Okay, Van Heusen. Van Heusen. The shirt brand, the pant brand. This one is a very popular luxury brand, Versace. Versace. Okay, not Versace. Versace. Okay, there's supposed to be the sound of ch at the end. Versace. Okay, these are computers, and I'm sure many of you must be having something from this brand. It's supposed to be Asus. Asus. Okay, not Asos. Asus. I've learned it from the company itself. So there were some employees of the company who were teaching the pronunciation of the word. I picked it from there. So there is nothing wrong with this. It's supposed to be Asus. Asus. Now this one is Chanel, not Channel. There is no double N. Chanel. Okay, sh, not ch, not Chanel. Sounds really funny. Chanel. Simple. Those bags, cosmetics. You must have seen something from this brand, I'm sure. On the airports they have their shops. Chanel. Now these two that I'm going to take up next are very close to each other in the names. Otherwise they have no connection with each other. It's supposed to be Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton. Many of you already know, but I thought of including this on the list because still many people do not know. So Louis Vuitton. S is supposed to be silent. Louis Vuitton. Okay, and then you have Louis Philippe. Louis Philippe, not Louis Philippe. No, that's wrong. Not Louis Philippe. It's supposed to be Louis Philippe. Is there something on your body from Adidas? It's supposed to be Adidas. Adidas is named after somebody who was already popular. He was some king or somebody. I don't really know the story behind it. And he named the brand after his own name. And it's supposed to be Adidas. Okay, Adidas. All right. Now, this one is common, and I'm sure most of you already know the correct pronunciation. It's supposed to be Lamborghini. Lamborghini. Okay, Lamborghini. Then next one that I have for you is Levi's, not Levis. No, not Louis. No, Levi's. And you see there is this apostrophe S. Okay, so when you write it with apostrophe, and when you call it out, you are supposed to call it as Levi's. And this one is very common again in India. It's supposed to be Xiaomi, Xiaomi. Okay, Xiaomi. So Xiaomi, it's what you're supposed to be pronouncing it as. There are a couple more names on the list. Next one is Hublot. It's not supposed to be Hublot. It's not supposed to be Hublot. T is silent and H is also supposed to be silent, supposed to be Hublot. Okay, Hublot. And this is a French watch brand, and they're not, I don't think they have the pronunciation as oo in their list of linguistics. I don't know what to call them, but I don't think they have the sound oo. So it's supposed to be Hublot. Okay, Hublot. Okay, don't give it a dislike because of this. Okay, it's supposed to be Hublot. Simple. Don't call it Hublot. That's the entire point behind taking this word in the list, including it. Hublot. Let's move to the next one. The last one that I have for you is a very popular car brand, and many of us have cars from this brand. The name of the brand is supposed to be Hyundai. Okay, Hyundai. And there are a lot of pronunciations from different parts of the world is the correct pronunciation. So the last syllable is supposed to be day, but I think the more acceptable version for us would be Hyundai. Okay, Hyundai, Hyundai, it's supposed to be that. Yun and die. Okay, that is